welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna let you in on one of my secrets. I'm so lazy that I have set up my backdrop facing a window, and that lighting has been working out for me. I'm enjoying it a lot because it just like simplifies everything, and I can just switch on my camera and start filming. The only problem is that when it's cloudy like it is right now, it looks like I'm filming in the dark, so just bear with me. Anyways, I want to tell you guys about what happened. You know what? The life of an influencer is not always perfect, and sometimes brands do you dirty and they take you off their PR. So real talk, BoxyCharm did take me off their PR. I don't know why they did that because I was referring a lot of people and I was uploading my BoxyCharm unboxings monthly. Like even when I wasn't active on YouTube, I always made sure that my BoxyCharm unboxings were there, so it hurt. But you know what? I'm here to share my Ipsy bag with you. So let's just go ahead and get into my Ipsy unbagging. And I do want to say, like, totally all bias aside, like Ipsy has been stepping it up. Like I honestly would not be doing this unbagging if I wasn't like happy with the product. So I just want to show you guys how they stepped it up for, I think it's like $10 a month. The first thing I got is a full-size Luxie brush, and this is a overall shading brush. It's a really cute like ombre rose gold, super high quality. And you know, Luxie brushes are like pricey. Like they're not something that I would spend on brushes, especially since Morphe is out there, you know, like with super affordable brushes. But the quality of Luxie is unbeatable. And I like the name because it's the same as my puppy's name. So this is the first thing in my Ipsy. Next is a full-size liquid black eyeliner from Sugar, and they totally give me everything I want because I don't want like a purple eyeliner, I don't want like a silver eyeliner, I don't want metallic eyeliners, I want black or brown eyeliner. Like those are the only colors that eyeliner should be for everyday people like you and I. So this is perfect. It's a Sugar full-size black eyeliner once again. Next is another full-size product. This is a full-size lip gloss from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's like this gorgeous like 90s nude color. Like I'm about it. I'm here for it. I'm gonna keep it because this is super gorge and it's totally on brand. And here is the lipstick up close. You guys, like this is so cute, and I feel so spoiled to get a full-size product for what I'm paying for Ipsy. But of course there's more. The next thing is a Ahava 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. So obviously there is gold in it. It says apply a even layer on clean face and neck, avoid eye area, leave on for 10 minutes and then rinse off. It has gold in it, so I will bathe myself in this mask. This is a trial size, it's not a full size, but you know what, for $10 a month, can you really complain? And next, they call this a full size. It's a little sneaky. I see what they did there. This is just a full size eyeshadow pan, so you have one shade of the Nomad Intense eyeshadow. I'm trying to get it out of the box. And it's actually kind of cute. It has its own little case. This is actually adorable. It says Nomad on it right there. It's cruelty free. And this is the shade. So I like that they went the extra mile and put it in like a little case, because I remember like in BoxyCharm and stuff, they would send you like an eyeshadow pan and you would have to like get the palette to like put the pan in it. The total value of my Ipsy bag was over $50. I would say I'm happy with every product. I mean, they really did spoil me. So that was my Ipsy for the month. If you want to learn more about Ipsy, go ahead and use my referral link down below to sign up for your glam bag. And once again, they are stepping it up because they are competing with BoxyCharm, so I'm really happy to see that. And yes, I might be a little bit salty about being taken off BoxyCharm's PR, but I'll go ahead and leave the link to BoxyCharm down below as well because they're still killing it. I'm not going to be that shady girl that stops endorsing something. I still believe in BoxyCharm. I still think it's a good deal, so I'll link them down below as well, and you can take your pick based on your budget. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.